How to get pocket option promo code. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can get the promo code of pocket option. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to get the promo code of pocket option, you need to first go up to your browser, or you may just directly go to google.com and search for pocket option promo code. Just type in pocket option promo code. Just type in that and you'll be taken to a page where you'll be able to find different kind of links from where you can redeem the promo code of pocket option. When you scroll down a bit, you get different bunch of options. You just may click on any of the link that you want to use. I'm just clicking on the very first link, that is wethrift.com. You may also go to the similar link if you want, and here you look for the option that is more convenient for you. Like, there are different kind of options. You may just look for an option that is providing more offer. You can see this 100% off on your first deposit or something like that. You may just click on this link, and when you click on it, you'll be taken to another page. And you can see, in order to redeem the code, you may just copy this code and go to the pocket option app and use that promo code in order to get the offer. So therefore, you may also follow the same process and go on with the process of redeeming the pocket option promo code very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.